All right, welcome everyone to the Eve Growing Concepts. Today's video, we're going to be talking about turning this into a grow tower. This dog cage, it's an old dog crate, had it in the shed for a long time. These towers are not only grow towers that save irrigation, less weeding, taking full control over your soil. They're composters, they're worm farms. You have to feed them. You have to feed them with compost. And the way I feed them is I use composting balls, which is all my inside compost. I don't have much film, so I can't talk too long, but I'm gonna do. All right, folks, let's see if I can keep this video under 3 minutes. First thing I did is I went and I got a bunch of cardboard. I love cardboard. I call it PUD, Potential Urban Duff. It's a great carbon. There's many uses we'll talk about. And what I did is I laid it all in my flower bed. I laid it down to suppress the weeds, and I got these free wood chips. Guy delivers them every year, big pile of them for free. And I just rested the dog crate or dog cage on top of that. And I got some 1/4-inch mesh there because the holes were a little bigger on that side that I put to the back side of it. And I have this 3-gallon bucket that can there. It doesn't show it very well, but that can was added on that conduit there. You see that black grommet? Those things are a must. I just love them things. And I had the conduit come up just about lower than the bucket top there. So when that bucket is full, that water will come out. You'll know that you're done watering. And all the wicking material that's in that bucket, I packed the bucket with wood chips and all around it with wood chips up to about an inch over the bucket itself. And then I just started packing it with a bunch of duff or humus and worm castings and composting or balls. And then I stuffed a bunch of 100% cotton in there. And no doubt, folks, that this cotton will be gone by the end of this grow season. And the fact that I used cardboard to line it, I'll probably only get 1 season out of this, but that's okay. That cardboard will hold back the material. And, you know, if I wanted to get a longer season, as I've done, I use a cloth or some kind of a synthetic material to hold it back. So when all is said and done, this is what it looks like. And it's very fast. And these towers, as I've said, are not only grow towers that your irrigation isn't lost, you're taking full control over all aspects of your gardening with these things. And you can put them anywhere. We're not even adding the mobile aspect. And I buried some more balls, and these balls are made out of everything. These balls are the biodiversity that's lost in our outdated commercial growing practices. So I buried these all on top of there, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. That's all I have to say for now. God bless, and over and out. We will most certainly heal this planet, one urban farmer at a time.